Imagine standing in a city where thousand-year-old castles meet ultra-modern observation wheels, where royal guards march past you, and priceless artifacts whisper stories from every corner of the world. London isn't just a city. It's a time machine that pulls you through centuries of culture, architecture, and history, all while keeping one foot firmly in the present. If you're planning your first trip, or just dreaming of your next adventure, here are 10 incredible places in London you absolutely can't miss. Number 1. Let's kick things off with a fortress that's seen more drama than a Netflix series. The Tower of London is over 900 years old and has served as a royal palace, prison, treasury, and even a zoo. Walk through its ancient stone walls and see the crown jewels glittering under heavy guard. You'll also meet the famous beefeaters, the ceremonial guardians who have their own eerie tales of ghosts and betrayal. Number 2. Right on the banks of the River Thames, the London Eye lifts you 443 feet into the air in a sleek glass capsule. As you slowly rotate, you get a jaw-dropping 360-degree view of London's skyline, Big Ben, the Shard, and even Windsor Castle on a clear day. It's one of the best ways to take in the city's vast beauty without taking a single step. Number 3. You can't visit London without checking in on royalty. Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the king, is as regal as it gets. Time your visit right, and you'll catch the changing of the guard, a ceremony packed with precision, tradition, and British pageantry. During summer, you can even step inside and tour the magnificent staterooms. Number 4. Often confused with London Bridge, Tower Bridge is the one with those two majestic towers connected by walkways high above the Thames. It's a marvel of Victorian engineering and still lifts for river traffic today. Don't miss the glass floor walkway. Standing on it as cars pass below and boats cruise under is a thrill all its own. Number 5. Where else can you see the Rosetta Stone, Egyptian mummies, and the Elgin marbles in one place? The British Museum is a treasure trove of human history, and it's completely free. With artifacts from every corner of the globe, it's like traveling trough time in space without ever leaving the building. Number 6. This is more than just a stunning Gothic church. Westminster Abbey is the place where British monarchs are crowned and where many of them are buried. It's the spiritual heart of the UK. Walking through its solemn halls, you're literally stepping over centuries of history, surrounded by memorials to great poets, scientists, and kings. Number 7. Think science is boring? Think again. The Natural History Museum is a jaw-dropping cathedral to nature. From the towering skeleton of a blue whale in the main hall to the animatronic T-Rex that actually growls at you, this place turns science into something magical. Plus, the building itself looks like a Hogwarts spin-off. Number 8. Need a break from sightseeing? Hyde Park is your perfect green escape in the middle of London. Rent a paddle boat on the Serpentine, stroll under rows of massive trees, or just people watch from a shady bench. It's not just a park. It's where London breathes, runs, relaxes, and sometimes protests. Number 9. Big Ben isn't just a clock. It's a symbol of London itself. Technically, Big Ben is the bell inside the tower. But let's be honest, everyone calls the whole thing Big Ben. Its chimes are instantly recognizable, and standing beneath the Elizabeth Tower as it strikes the hour is a moment that stays with you. Number 10. With its iconic dome rising high above the city, St. Paul's Cathedral is breathtaking both inside and out. Climb the 528 steps to the Golden Gallery, and you're rewarded with one of the best views in London. Down below, the Whispering Gallery lets you hear secrets spoken from across the dome. It's one part church, one part acoustic wonder.